Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ilham Wibowo. My major is the technical department. I will my presentation of branch. This branch is usually stamped on the face and denotes the width of the opening between the jaws to determine the size of bald head. 1. Adjustable branch are handily all around branch. For like what is the adjustable open the branch. 2. Monkey branch are useful in the many instances when the tightening or loosening pipe. 3. Bob and branch. There are 6 branches inside face. This branch is known as a point or double action book branch. 4. Socket branch. Branch is made with 4 inside face, 4 square nut or with 6. 5. Torque branch. This tool is used a socket branch handle in order to decrease amount. 6. Spanner branch. The hook spanner works around nut with a series of knots cut is the surface. 7. Special branch. Survival special branch. The Allen type branch has a side shaft the fits. Thank you.